Hello folks. I wanted to make a mention that the main reason why I'm doing this video is to provide an update on the self-seeded cilantro and self-seeded mustard I just dropped a short on, and just to show you how it came through the freeze. But I've been doing some editing on a larger comprehensive update for the whole yard to show how all the crops came through the freeze. And while I was doing the editing, I noticed that I had really not gone into detail on this particular garden bed. So I also provided an update on this garden bed that you won't see in the comprehensive update. All right, let's get this underway.
So I recently dropped a video, actually it was a short, talking about self-seeding annuals. Two specific self-seeding annuals that I had not shown on camera before. This is cilantro, and the other one was mustard. In the video I said that they probably won't survive the winter. And in fact, the mustard did not survive. Now with cilantro, I've kind of had some mixed results through the winter. I haven't had a whole lot of luck getting it to survive below 20 degrees or so. And which you can see, even though we got down to 12 degrees Fahrenheit, that it survived. Now, in that short that I dropped, I had a lot more cilantro than I have now. So certainly the freeze took its toll. And I've been a little bit lazy. I could have helped the recovery of my crops after the freeze by doing some supplemental watering, but I haven't really done any. So that could be another reason why I lost some of them. They had just sprouted in the late fall along with the mustard. So, you know, maybe there's something to do with that. But I wanted to give you guys just a little update because I'm gonna drop a video soon, hopefully in the next couple of days, that gives a complete, comprehensive, total yard update on all the crops that made it through the freeze, so you can see what the results were, because as I've mentioned several times before, I don't cover my crops. So there's one cilantro, there's another. You can see this is wood sorrel. I've mentioned that in a different video. And let's see here, I got another cilantro here. There might be a couple more, you get the idea. And so while I'm here, I'm going to do an update on this garden bed because I've been editing that freeze video, the comprehensive freeze video, and I realized I never climbed in here to get up close and personal. I just kind of walked by and pointed at it and said, oh, you see there's some greens living. So you can see the oregano, and you'll see in the comprehensive update video, the oregano, I have no problem with that in the winter. And we got Georgia collard. Pretty much all of them are alive, varying degrees of success with them. And like I said, if I water, it'll probably, they'll probably do a lot better, probably recover a lot better. See, there's another. So Georgia collard, wood sorrel, cilantro, and what's this? That is not a Georgia collard, I don't think. That looks like a Richmond's purple tree collard, which is really surprising. I've never been able to get these to survive below 20 degrees. I'll keep an eye on this. That's what it looks like it is. If it is, I'm going to be taking a lot of cuttings of that guy because that means he's got some good genes. I'm going to want to get a hold of those. I've mentioned if you're doing self-seeding anything, this concept of critical mass, where the species that are annuals in this ecoregion to survive, it's a lot like sea turtles. They just drop a whole lot of seed. The predators get most of it, and then some of them survive. So you have to get your self-seeding annuals to critical mass, so enough seed drops that they will sprout back the next season. So, and another factor to that is if they do sprout back the next season, make sure you covet those seeds, and anything that sprouts out of the next season that maybe it sprouts in an even less desirable environment, you really want to concentrate on those seeds because the genes, they're pioneer genes. And if you're trying to get self-seeding annuals going in your ecoregion where no one else is really doing that, then you're gonna have to do some seed saving for a few years, as I have, and try to get some genetics that can survive a little bit better in your area. So there we go. Pioneer genetics, self-seeding annuals, cilantro, mustard, wood sorrel, Georgia collard, and you can see as there's other things here. I got garlic, but you'll see that in the main update. But in this garden bed that looks like to be, of course, chives, they made it just fine. And I think that's, and then of course, you know, the Ice Age onion, the native onion. Yeah, I think that pretty much does it. I hope you all have a great day.